it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I did this gorgeous triptych a few weeks ago, and I really wanted to try it in rainbow colors. I've seen people doing it with kind of a, one color kind of flowing throughout, but I thought, let's just have fun with it. Let's just go all out and go super colorful. That's what we're doing. All right, let's have fun today, right? I did a metallic triptych like this. It was inspired by Rinske, and I thought, because I've always seen it with a color and then either white or black alternating. So I thought, why not make a super colorful one and just go with rainbow colors? I decided to do red, orange, yellow, and then go with the complementary color for each one. But I think on the next one, I might try yellow and green, blue and purple, red and orange. So I wanted to try it this way. This seems a little bit harder to me, so I'm gonna try it this way first and see. And I think in the middle will just be the same rainbow colors with white. I had debated doing black, white, and gold in the center, but I think this has an endless possibility of color arrangements. So you guys make sure to let me know what are your thoughts on this one and what do you think I should do for my next one that's a really colorful one like this. Got one little something in there. Okay, blue up here. I'll tell you the colors. Green down here. And red up here. Okay, so this is Pyrrole Red, Brilliant Green. This is a Phthalo Blue. This is an Azo Orange. This is a Blue Violet. And that is an Azo Yellow Deep Hue. All right, let me blow these out. Okay, this is either gonna be really good or really bad. So I think I will start with yellow across here. Then I will go with my red. Then I will go with my purple. My blue. I'm just going a little bit lighter where I already have that color in, and a little bit darker where I don't. Oh, I got some blue in my white. I'm not actually gonna put any more green in because that blue and that yellow, they're gonna make green. A little bit more red in this one. A little bit more red in this one. And then my orange. This red and green one is the one that scares me. But you gotta try, right? Okay, now for my white, which is gonna make the beautiful lacing and cells in this painting. Let's see, guys. The one that I thought I would like the most is the one that I actually don't like that much, believe it or not. And the one that I thought I would hate is the one that I love. Huh, how is that even possible? I love this painting. Wow, I cannot be happier right now. I'm gonna fiddle just a little bit, but not much. I don't normally just kind of leave it as it is. This has gorgeous cells in it. I wish I had put a little bit of orange in this one as well. Let me blow right up here. I can't do it now because it would kind of mess things up to add the orange in. I wish there was orange in this. I thought for sure as I was blowing up this way that there would be orange, but it was the way I blew with my blow dryer. I blew both sections down here down instead of one of them up. Okay, I still like you though. You are an amazing painting, sir. Or ma'am. All right. Let's see if I can get a little bit of that orange peeking through. You know, what do I do? Do I try to get a little bit? I'm sure you guys are telling me what to do right now. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid to ruin it. I'm just gonna try. This part got a little muddy right there. Let me get my straw. I may have to fix that one part. But otherwise, I really, really like this. This is super cool. All right, let me show you. I love it. I think probably my least favorite part is the green, but the cells are really cool in it. It just got just a little bit muddy down there, but that I don't even consider that muddy. Like, it's got really pretty purple in it. Look up here at these colors. And the orange started popping through a little bit, so that's good on that one. I don't know if I have a favorite in this because these are all amazing. All right, I will show you how these dry. Stay tuned. Probably one of the prettiest pieces I personally think I've ever done. The green, while it was wet, I didn't care for that much, but the cells ended up drying really pretty. And I added those little pops of orange down at the bottom to kind of continue it on along. And look at this at the top. I was so afraid of the red and green one. This one is just stunning, but I knew that color combination would be beautiful together. And then this one is probably my favorite, with that orange and that azo yellow deep. I'm so glad I tried this. In my head, I was like, I don't know how it's going to turn out, but wow, talk about a rainbow color explosion. All right, you guys let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Happy painting.